You know, I'm not gonna explain it. If you're here, I'm sure you know. Use the mouse to drive. What the fuck do you mean? Collect flowers by crashing into them. Evaluate their quality with a sniff. Oh shit! Oh fuck! No, that's a problem. Don't do that. Time 2 minutes and 29. Continue. Why'd I pause? Thank you. There's a butt! Hi, move. God, shit, I'm in pain. Oh, pizza. Oh, Barry, stop this pizza guy. I did it. And berries to spare. Let's go. Having a cold beer after a nice meal, suddenly you get the urge for a relaxing midnight drive. Did you say you're driving in your car after a beer? Did you just say drive? Oh boy, this is. Oh fuck! Slow down. What? What do I do about that? Oh, right. I'm scared. Can you fuck up? I'm trying to teach you my car. Oh my god. 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 Pour me out some. Ah! What? Berries. We're good. We're good. We're chill. Holy shit, we're chill. We're chill, brother. Stop it doing that. There we go. Oh. Based on a shitpost GIF. Music used.